Rais wa nthiguru ya Kenya Dr. William RUTO na ugite agatigira borithi bari na riera riega ria kuritira ngugi bati kuinywa nkingo ni mantu kathumba ta uria kwithiritwe gukari gwa kagita nandi. Rais aritetheza kiri MAAMBURA ja gwikirwa nthumbi kwa MAKURUTU kiri cukuru ya mauritani ja borithi ntere cha KIGANJO.
You will now proudly wear the uniform which confers upon you a duty to always dignify it as a badge of honor.
Akiaria kiri MAAMBURA ja gwikirwa nthumbi kwa MAKURUTU nkurukia ngiri ijiri kiri cukuru ya mauritani ja borithi ntere cha KIGANJO kaunti ya Nyeri, Rais William RUTO na ugite thirikari yawe kabagwata njara na kinya kurikia uriti ngugi bwao uria kumbikika ta gutigira ni bakwamukira utungata bwogima na njira njega.
Government will provide a comprehensive insurance scheme effective this month, available to members of the police and prison service and their families. Additionally, 2 fully equipped National Police Service hospitals are complete and will soon be ready to serve members of the force, including their families.
Amona kinya gutigira ni bagukara nyomba iria ciagirite na bakomba kurea cio.
In connection with the welfare and conditions of service, we have prioritized the provision of spacious, comfortable, safe, secure, and affordable housing for police officers in our affordable housing plan. This will go a long way in delivering our pledge to address the housing shortage facing members of the police service.
Minister wa ukaria bwandene kithure kindi kini arikithitie bo bakarita ngugi gutigira kuri na ukaria bwa kung'ana nikenda uchumi bukira.
We assure you, as the vision carrier of our national security, we, all of us, officers, institutions in this sector, will work harmoniously and in synergy to ensure we support you to realize peace, security, and tranquility in our country, on the basis of which our economy will grow.
Rais RUTO ni arikirite na kuromba barite ngugi yao na njira ya uma na bate kuendera.
The best way to uphold and observe the dignity and respect for your uniform is by serving with dedication, selflessness, integrity, and patriotism in order to discharge your duties firmly, but also fairly.